Chef Buck here, and today we're going to cook up a delicioso tofu scramble for breakfast.
Tofu!
Firm tofu. You know, if you're going to be making a breakfast scramble, use firm. Don't get soft. But the first thing we're going to do is open this up, and I always have a hard time opening this. See, because you want to start to pull it out of the corner, and it wants to leak all the tofu juice out of there. And you don't want to waste that tofu juice. So I usually open it with a knife, and it'll be easier to get the tofu out like that. And that way I can peel it back right here, and then I can just take the wonderful essence of tofu and put it in a container. And that's when I'm going to store the rest of my tofu in, because I'm not going to use all of this. So now I got my tofu sitting in here, and it's easier to handle, because once you get out of here, this is a disaster waiting to happen. I'm actually going to cook up more tofu this morning than I usually cook up, because I'm hungry. Look at all this tofu. This is an awful lot of tofu for just me and camera girl, but we're going to make a very tofu heavy scramble. So I'm going to go ahead and pat it dry. Now I'm going to cut it into some manageable cube shapes. Make them this size, but it doesn't matter what the size is. Make whatever size you want. And then I'm going to throw this in my hot oil. Boom, boom, and it starts to sizzle right away. And we'll get this going, because I like to have the tofu brown up and get a little bit of color on it first before I mix it in with my other ingredients. And I've already got this pan over here warming up. But you know, I'm a multitasking fool, or just a fool. But you know, you don't have to do it all at once like this here, whatever you're comfortable with. But I'm going to go ahead and throw a little seasoning on top of my tofu here.
Tofu needs a lot of seasoning.
Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of flavor. But you know, season it however you want. And this is just a mixture of spices here. This is kind of like a little rub. But that's going to add a lot of flavor. And now on my other skillet over here, I'm going to add some kale. But here we're going to use kale. Got the leaf and I got the stem, but we don't want to put it in at the same time. So I've got the stems separated from the leaves.
It's magic.
Very exciting. But we're going to go ahead and chop our stems in here and throw these in here first. I used to never use kale stems. I used to just compost these. But now that I'm getting older, you know, I want to make sure and use everything. But you want to cook these ahead of time. You want to get these in the pan first, so they got plenty of time to soften up.
This has most of the nutrition. The stems of a plant carry the nutrition to everywhere else.
Yeah, almost always. The most nutrition in a plant is in the least fun part of the plant.
Whatever.
We'll go ahead and get this going in our skillet. Turn my heat down there so I don't cause problemos. Got a couple of green onions. Well, actually, this is 4 green onions. But I got the bottoms separated from the tops. I'm going to set the tops aside. Go ahead and throw the bottoms in here with the stems.
Leave
the
a
kale.
place.
Give it a little stir. Here, I'm going to go ahead and flip my tofu around a little bit. Well, you just got to give it a little bit of shape and turn it over, because you want to try to cook the sides. Try to cook it all around. You don't just want to cook it on one side. So I got some chopped up garlic right here. This is like 3 cloves. I'm going to use a bit of yellow pepper. And just chop a little bit of this here up. Boom, and I'm going to do some nice big chunks of this, because you want some different shapes and sizes. That'll make the dish a lot more interesting. So I'll let this cook for a little bit. Let the garlic and these kale stems become buddy-buddy. That's going to add a lot of nutrition and a lot of crunch, having those kale stems in there. Give my tofu a little bit of a whirl. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more seasoning in there. Seasoning never hurt tofu. Now I'm going to add some tomatoes in here a little bit. And I got cherry tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and give them a little slice. I don't want them rolling away at a critical time in the cooking process. This is like hobbling a horse when you slice your cherry tomatoes like that. You know, these flavors are going just long enough. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning in here. You know, you can add salt, pepper, paprika, little onion powder, whatever kind of seasonings you like. I'm going to go ahead and add some thyme in here. A little bit of dried herbs. Sometimes you need some extra thyme, especially in the morning. Now I'm going to chop my kale up. You know, these are just the leaves that I took off the stems, but I'm going to give them a little bit of a rough chop here. And usually when we make this dish, we usually use spinach, but we like to change it up, get some different nutrition. So I'll let it sit here in the skillet for a few minutes and then stir it around. Give my tofu a little tumble. You know, I've got so much oil in here, just to take advantage of it, I got some seeds. This is just some caraway seeds. I could use some cumin seeds, I could use some mustard seeds, but that way just add a little bit more flavor. See how some of it has some cooked sides, and that's gonna help to keep your tofu together, so it won't fall apart when you toss it with these other ingredients. But our kale is softening up nicely here, and I don't want to cook it down too much. So it's starting to wilt up a little bit, become a little bit more palatable and manageable. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my green onion tops in here. Boom, boom, boom. Go ahead and toss our tomato in here too. Give it a couple more minutes. Give our tofu a final toss. Boom. One tries to get away, you got to be vigilant. I got some nice skin on my tofu here. When we toss it in here and flip it around and stir it and mix it with these other ingredients, it isn't going to fall apart. It's going to have a nice heft, a nice flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and toss it in there. And then we'll just mix our tofu up with our vegetables. And then that's all there is to it. We're going to serve it with some avocado and a little bit of a toasted muffin. And my colored tomatoes didn't make it as colorful as I'd hoped. So I'm going to drop a couple extra cherry tomatoes on there.
Tofu!
Go ahead and give your tofu scramble a try.
I even get to eat it warm. Tofu, if you get it seasoned, that's the big thing.
The key to having tofu and enjoying tofu is to make sure you have a lot of flavors on there. Greens and some tofu, ready to conquer the world. You don't have the recipe over our website, myfoodchannel.com. Go head on over there if you want to print it out. Thanks for subscribing and watching the video, and we'll see you in the future.